Hello, hello. Good day. Welcome. If you can, read the blog, come back. Also, if this is your first eco video, there we do have a end-to-end that showcased the whole solution, about 24 minutes. The reason for that, I am jumping right in. Today, we're going to talk about how do you get two source into one, two in one. We're looking at Oracle JD Edwards as my ERP system, and we're looking at Salesforce as my CRM. How do we combine these two together to produce this report on the right? If you have more than two sources, no biggie. We got that covered as well. So let's dive in. The first thing we need to do is connect two systems. Then we're going to ask, what data do I need? How are we going to enrich that data? And how are we going to blend all that together to become a data stream? Log in. Super easy. Fill in the blank. Select your system. Put in your credentials, hit save, you're done. Same is true for JD Hours, all pretty straightforward. What data do I need from Salesforce and JD Hours? In Salesforce, I'm looking for the account, the opportunity, as well as the opportunity history. These are tables that have been ingested into eyko. There are plenty more that are not ingested. Perhaps we can use it at another time. Same is true for JD Edwards himself. We'll pick only what's needed for this design itself. Now, when you're combining two or more systems, the tricky part is what's common about them. So in my example, any ERP CRM is usually the customer name that we need to figure out. And that's already done, or the initial part is already done by AI. So AI already went out there, did the heavy lifting, did some scrubbing, and in fact started classifying what is what in order to make our life a bit easier. Quick example, action bicycle specialist. There were three instances of that across Salesforce and JDA. Clearly, one system has a duplicate. Once we create our master data, that's when we start to combine Salesforce and JDA into one. We can join Salesforce to Salesforce, Salesforce to JD Edwards, or any combination of both. The end product of this design is what we call a data stream. And a data stream itself can be used by other tools. So if I want to say broadcast my data stream to Power BI or Tableau, this is how those solutions will connect to our data stream. eyko also used data stream for eyko analytics. And for time's sake, and like a cooking show, this is the outcome of that data stream where we pick slicers to put on top, as well as in my tables, rows and columns in order to combine the two systems together. Customer master, that's my golden customer master where I blend Salesforce and JDRs together. Instant, this is a multi ERP solution report. There we have it. Stage name, classic sales cycle stages, business unit, month and year are from JD Hours. Second row, all from Salesforce. So I can start slicing, filtering my data across both systems or one system. Your choice. You pick and choose what you want to be slicers or filters. The data itself, you can see there are multiple rows, the industry, the customer, as well as the AE. That's coming from Salesforce. The period, year, and amounts, that's coming from JD Hours. So very, very quickly, an easy example of combining two systems together in a report that where you can slice and dice, and this could be a report or a dashboard. That's all, folks. Come back for more. See you soon.